everyone, this is Nancy Ellen with the Crafty Yarn Barn, and I'm really excited today to do a mystery unboxing. My husband and my son Jason have given me a Christmas present. They overheard me talking about some yarn I had wanted from Hobby Lobby. I love this Yarn Bee brand from Hobby Lobby, and they told me that they have a surprise for me, and it just came in, and I'm getting my Christmas present, and they said that I might want to do a video about it. So here it is. You see it when I see it. So I'm really excited to see what they got me. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, Jason. You got a box, you said? Ooh. I got it in a pretty bag. Oh, it fell out. Oh my gosh. This yarn is what I have been curious about doing a project on, and I have never used it before. This is the bulky 7-weight yarn. It's the big cuddly blanket yarn. It's bigger than the baby blanket Brene. I call Brene. Brene's fancy, but Bernat, however you want to say it. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. This color is, where is the color? Fast Asleep. Oh, this would be pretty as a baby blanket. What I've studied on it is, I've not used it before, is that it takes about 5 skeins to make a throw, is what I'm understanding. It's not very much yarn in a bundle. It's 33 yards in a bundle. That's not very much. So, oh my gosh, look at this. This is a yellow. Look at this yellow, y'all. The color on it, look how thick it is. It's a Chanel type yarn. This is Sun Kisses. Oh, it's a bright, pretty, soft yellow. And this one, ooh, pink. It's a soft pink. Let me move my cup. So I got some yellows, Sun Kiss. All right, what else is there, Jason? Let me move my Santa cup. My Santa cup.
Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, Jason. Oh,
You're
some
welcome.
more that matches this. This is that Fast Asleep. So I've got 4 skeins of it. Oh, if I just, hopefully there's one more. So I've got 4 of that. I've got 2 of the yellow. Oh, wow. This looks like a honey. Look out, what color is this? Eternal Bliss Taupe. That's pretty. That would look good with that pink. Soft pink. Oh yeah, one more. One more of the Fast Asleep. So I've got 5 of those Fast Asleep. Oh, 5 of these taupe. That is awesome. Oh, look at there, they're so soft. My son and I always smell stuff. And it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. So that's a plus. So I've got 5 of those. That's cool. 1 of the soft pink. Oh, there's another bag. Oh my gosh, there's a whole nother bag. Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
This is a cuddly taupe, cuddly 1 taupe. That it has some white in it, where this one over here is more of a honey, darker. This has a mixture of white and taupe. Oh, speaking of white, I have white. Oh, this is the soft pink Eternal Bliss. So 2 of those. Here's 2 more white. Oh my gosh. This is heaven. Heaven. There's 1 more box. Ooh, it's a big box too. Let me move these white.
This one is really big.
Is it?
Yeah, this is like the
stand
big
there and
finish.
hold it. Eternal Bliss Soft. Okay, so now I have 3 of those. Oh, this one got tore, but it's okay. I'll use it first. White. So I've got 3 white. Oh, 1 more, 4 white. Golly, look at all of this. It's a mountain of yarn. Oh, this is matching this. This is that cuddly 1 taupe.
We got some pinks.
Oh, some more pink. So now I have 5 of these Eternal Bliss Soft Pink. So that's awesome. Let me move that over there out of the way.
You have more
Ooh,
yellows.
Yellows. I already got 2. I got 2 more. Oh, there's more? Oh, 5. 5 yellows. I've got 5 of every one, don't I? Oh, I've got... Oh, bonus. I've got 6 of these. Looks like I've got 4 white. That is awesome. Man, oh man. Guess what? I guess we'll be doing a video on how to crochet a project with this super big, bulky, chunky yarn. And I'm super excited. I bet you that's going to make a awesome, thick blanket. Check it out. See how thick that is against my hand? That is awesome. It calls for, it says a, what's the hook size? P or a Q, 15 millimeter hook is what it calls for. I've read that you can do some finger crocheting with it, with your hands. I might try that out. I do believe I have a size P crochet hook upstairs in my craft room. So it looks like this is going to be a project coming to you soon. So stay on the lookout. And, oh, I'm being told that there's more yarn. Hold on just a second. Let me move this out of the way.
So here's your other box of yarn.
It's a bonus present.
It's bonus.
Oh, Yarn Bee is the brand. Oh my goodness. It's that thin baby Chanel. It says Adorable. This is Angel is the color. Oh my goodness. Calls for a 9 millimeter hook. Oh, and it's so super soft. It reminds me of the baby blanket yarn, but smaller. Let me see what the weight of this is. Yeah, 9 millimeter crochet hook, size M13 in the US and size 00 in the UK. 5 is the, it does not remind me of a bulky yarn though. It's so super thin. See that in comparison? Well, it's surely not a size 4, so I guess it is a 5. 4 is going to be smaller. But it is a Chanel. It's super soft, so Angel is the color of it. It's white. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's a blue. What color is this going to be called? Baby's Blue. Same weight and size, yarn, needle. Gosh, that's so super soft. It smells good. It should smell like baby powder, but it doesn't. It reminds me of baby powder. I don't know why. Okay, this one. Ooh, it's peachy pink looking. Let's see, what's the color on it? It's called Pinkaboo. Look at that. Look at that color. That's awesome. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 5 of each. So 5 of this Peekaboo, 5 of the baby blue, and 5 of the white. So that is definitely, how much yardage is in this? Did I say? 92 yards per ball of yarn. So 500 yards, so that'll definitely make a really nice size receiving blanket or a little baby throw. That's exciting. Super exciting. Merry Christmas to me. Yay!
Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, Jason and Daddy. Love you so much. My honey bear. Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
Love you, Jason.
We got you some big yarn.
Big yarn.
Big yarn haul.
Big yarn haul. I'm so excited. Merry Christmas, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and be on the lookout for some big yarn baby blankets or throw blanket tutorials. So excited. Look for that coming your way, y'all. Merry Christmas, everybody. So ho, 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 as Jason said. Bye.